Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on day 5. So we are now in Honduras, and there is the backdrop of Honduras. Yes, we are, our excursion is we're gonna go look at the sloths. However, sloths have become one of my favorite animals, which I don't know why. I think Walt Disney kind of has a hand in that because they have what is the movie? I can't think of the movie. Is it Utopia? Zootopia? Okay, Zootopia. There is a sloth on there, and he's so cute. The lady is cute too, and so I like the sloth character in the movie, and yeah. So we actually on our way out. I'm waiting on Walter to get dressed. I guess we're gonna grab something to eat, and then after we grab something to eat, we're gonna get ready to embark and get off the ship. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Oh my Jesus. Oh my word. Be careful, some of these is open.
Man, I did more than this, man. We should run across.
Oh my. Oh, sweet Jesus. Sweet baby Jesus. Get me off of here. Sweet baby Jesus.
I mean, some people used to jump up and down on them, honey.
Not have been in the front.
Sweet baby Jesus.
She ran across. She slowed down there. What happened? Look at that.
Look at the green one. I want to hold the green one.
Somebody will take a picture for us, right?
Yeah, we will, if you want. I want to hold the green one. You should have let me know what he was. They're not going to let you know. They're just going to jump right on.
Behind you. Behind you.
Hey, oh.
I ain't give him no need, though. He just jumped on me. Hey. They said they'd jump on you. They wasn't kidding, were they?
Okay, guys, who's next? Come on, come this way, please.
Ready?
Let's go. Take off the hat. No hat, please. No hat. Go over there.
Connie,
Go to the
I'm
side.
get
Go to the
down.
side, please.
I'm get down low. One is on you now.
Come on, let's go.
Hello. How are you?
How are you doing, guys? Any jewelry shop?
No.
Thank you, though.
If I was rich. Oh, crap. You want to go to 7-Eleven? You want to go on the 7-Eleven?
Yeah.
Where's the other ship? Hey you guys, today is day 7 on our cruise. I don't think I checked in yesterday. I got footage of yesterday, but I don't think I checked in or said goodnight. Yesterday was such a long day. We were in Cozy Mail and I was just very overwhelmed and very sleepy. We had a good time. We walked on the strip, basically pretty much the strip, but you know, yeah, we had such a good time. We went to Senior Frog, which was, it was okay. I mean, it was fun. If I was younger, I guess I probably would have had a lot more fun, you know, over the shots of tequila and getting drunk. Just wanted to come on the cruise more of a relaxation, not a party. But anyway, so we're on our way back. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm not outside. We're about to go downstairs and have breakfast. After we have breakfast, we're going to just hang out on the pool. Walter will probably get some video. Walter will probably get some videos of me actually sliding down the huge, water slide. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. So that's what we're doing today. This is my outfit of the day. I'm so bright. Oh my God, I'm like so bright. But anyway, and I'm excited because I get my last charm today off of the ship. So yeah, I'm really excited. I think I'm more excited that we're actually going home. I'm actually ready to go home. 7 days is enough for me. Yeah. 7 days is more than enough. Oh, I've already packed my bag for home. So those are the outfits that you see back there. Those are the outfits that I'm actually going to wear home back to New Orleans. And I think we're just going to grab something to eat. And then we're going to head back to Arkansas after that. Because I don't want to get home too late. I want to be able to relax. I think I pick up my dog tomorrow. Or I don't know if I pick him up tomorrow. I might or my husband picks him up Monday. I don't know. So I'm excited. Can't wait to get back home. Can't wait to spend one more night with my husband. So yeah, which I probably won't vlog Monday night. I'll come back and vlog on Sunday to end this vacation 7-day cruise to the Caribbeans. That's what it's gonna be. And then I'll just put all the names off to the side or something like that. That's what we'll do. yeah, we'll put all the different places that I went to in this description box. But the tag will probably be 7-day cruise to the Caribbean. So yeah, I had such a good time. Yeah, I'm actually loving my cut hair.
Let me see, Connie. Let me see the camera.
Which one?
Just get it right now. The singer.
Damn, just there's them beer cans that hung.
Oh, yeah.
And it is not nighttime. Oh, we could have put them in our video, honey. Oh, I got to get the beer cans, honey. I got to get the beer cans. I didn't even get the beer cans. Hell, fuck. I couldn't even get the beer cans. Hell. Oh, we gotta get our ass out of here before we blow off the ship.
You trying to catch my hair blowing in the wind?
Yeah, is it blowing? Yeah.
Yeah.